This is the latest version of BMW's high-performance M3. It was launched at the Geneva Motor Show and will start appearing on showroom floors toward the end of this year. Unlike its predecessor, this fourth-generation M3 is powered by a high-revving, lightweight V8. The body of this latest M3, including the wheel arches, is considerably wider. The car has all-round independent suspension, which is precisely damped, even though it's biased towards high-speed handling rather than ride quality. The M3 absorbs the most difficult bumps and challenging driving surfaces while still giving the driver plenty of feedback through the steering wheel. The new M3 has an optional sequential manual gearbox. It employs a computer-activated clutch instead of a driver-operated clutch pedal. Gears are changed manually through the selector or through paddles on the steering wheel. And there's also a fully automatic mode. There's also a conventional 6-speed manual gearbox available. It has newly designed double-spoke light alloy wheels, and with its front air dam, ellipsoid fog lamps and extra-large cooling air intake scoops, it differs from the other models in the BMW 3 Series range. The exhaust system with twin chambers and 4 tailpipes clearly identifies this model as a member of the M range. The multifunction steering wheel has a padded extra thick rim. Frontal, side and head airbags are standard, with 2 side airbags in the rear. At the heart of the new coupe is the first V8 engine to enter the M3 family. It's rated at 309 kilowatts and generates 400 Newton-meters of torque, while it weighs 15 kilograms less than the 6-cylinder engine that it replaces. BMW's new V8 engine test facility is encased in 2,800 square meters of reinforced concrete. Here, the engine is tested under extreme temperature fluctuations from minus 20 degrees Celsius to plus 60 degrees Celsius. Durability runs, similar to the Formula One testing BMW undertakes with its Sauber program, have been conducted over 9-day periods at an average speed of 183 kilometers per hour, which in real-world tests would take between 6 and 8 weeks. All systems in the V8 are closely monitored, while the test engine is pushed hard for very long periods of time. The engine control unit, developed by Siemens, is based on the M5 and uses 3 processors. Up to 200 million calculations are made per second, and each cylinder is scanned 250 times per second. This MSS60 management system is highly sophisticated and coordinates all of the engine functions with the various other control units on the car. Individual throttle butterflies give the engine an immediate direct response at all times. The engine block for the new V8 is cast in the same foundry as BMW's Formula One engines. Because the engine is one of the heaviest modules in the car, it is an important factor in determining the overall weight of a car. The new V8 power plant weighs just 202 kilograms, making it one of the lightest 8-cylinder engines in the world. The new BMW M3 is a driver's car. This 4th generation of the M3 family represents a new stage in the evolution of BMW's sports coupe.